Alright, y'all, look what we have. These are my first Gen 3s! These aren't really anything to get excited over, but I've never been one of these, so.
Seventh floor. Going down.
This is Otis's brand new MRL model. Well, not brand new, but.
First floor. Going up.
Basic stainless steel cab. I like that LCD though.
Seventh floor.
I'll switch cars.
Going down.
Listen to those relays in there.
Going down.
Otis Gen 3s. I didn't think I'd find one of these here.
Going down. Sixth floor. Going down.
I'm sorry.
First floor.